Hello, Professor. This is Jayant, and now I'm going to show my EDA preparation and data preparation and visualization of tabular dataset. For the dataset, I used a Newyork Airbnb dataset from Kaggle. I downloaded and just inspected the structure of the dataset, uh, the data types of the columns, and structure of the data frame. And next comes data quality, just checking for any missing values and checking for any possible relevant data conversions. I used the isNull function to dot sum to check the count to get the count of missing values of each column, and also the date time for last review. I made sure it is in proper date time format. And next EDA, for the EDA part or auto EDA part, I used pandas profiling. It generated a good report of the data set of like missing values like duplicates, average, and I mean correlations. We can see the correlations also here, and it also gives a neat heat map also of what they related and missing values, sample of the data, and like like some distribution of each variable, like the aggregation functions of it, average and mean, and all those things. And after that, for the manual visualizations, just plotted to plots with price distribution and room type distribution. And we can see that here. And next comes data pre-processing and cleaning. So as we have got null values above, I filled it with zeros and dropped not unnecessary columns with, I mean, which don't have any name or host name. And then encoded categorical variables like neighborhood group and room type. And also for this feature scaling part, I used standard scaler from sklearn and fitted it with the data frame. I mean these numerical features. And for the feature engineering part, I extracted some features from last review based on the timestamp and filled the null values. And also I dropped the last review after feature extraction. As we have extracted features, we don't need it anymore. Uh, Next comes clustering and anomaly detection. You imported k-means and fit predict with latitude and longitude, and then I visualized the clusters. I mean number maximum 4 clusters. Yeah, 4. So we can see the clusters how it's segregated. Also anomaly detection used an isolation forest from sklearn, and it has a default dot fit predict function which takes relevant columns to prediction. And then comes predictive modeling with AutoViML. So for that, first I install AutoVML and then splitted the data in training and testing. Gave the training data target variable, target column, I mean, in the testing data. And we can see it generated the output. Oh, sorry. See, it's classifying variables and data preparation and cleaning. I mean, it abstracts everything. It does everything in the background. Uh, Now we can see some NLPs of the word count and the character count, and also the basic light GBM regressor models predictions, the predictor versus actual price. And we can see the accuracy is 79. So now again give the same thing. Now it shows the updated accuracy 91 and root mean square of 254. And now for correlations, like for removing highly correlated features using Solo method. So feature selection by XGBoost, So identifying the most important features, linear model training, identifying the best parameters, and then finalizing the model on and full training it. And now we can see its predictions, regression metrics for the linear model, predicted versus actual, and also the residual plots. And for the ensembling models, it provided quick results for each of the model: ADA, boost, decision tree, KNN regressor, and bagging regressor. Different type of metrics like RMSE, MSE, and MAE. And the ensemble model here also these are the regression metrics like residual plots and actual predicted price. So this is my demonstration of data visualization with AutoVML for tabular data set. Thank you.